Alat bantu media yang digunakan di sini adalah grafik pecahan yang berupa batangan itu antara dari 1 sampai 1/20 yang kemudian dipotong-potong lalu dilapisi dengan isolasi bening sehingga pada saat nanti diwarnai itu akan mudah dihapus dan digunakan kembali. Selain itu, pada saat pembelajaran nanti siswa akan menggunakan board marker atau spidol untuk memanfaatkan grafik pecahan ini atau batangan pecahan ini untuk digunakan.
Now I need you to, what I call it, to explore. What is that? What can you see from it?
This. I can see like a label. See, I don't know what this like a label or what. I think this is like a paper.
Like what?
Like a paper. I think if I
like paper. What is inside of the paper? Where is Raphael?
A number, Miss. I see a number.
What number is that?
If this, I see 1 out of 20.
If me one. If me one. Just one.
This
1 out of 20 if me.
We call it fraction. What is fraction? When you want to represent probability, you use fraction. Do you remember about it?
Yes. Like I know what
is it. We're waiting for Raina and Cila to turn on the camera. And now, randomly. As example, Miss Tia takes 1 out of 10, and then Miss Tia will take 1 out of 19. Can you see it? I make it proceed.
Okay. I get 1 out of 10 and 1 more. I get 1 out of 7, Miss. And 1 out of 20.
Now I take the marker. As example, I want to count. I want to compare.
I got
2 out of 10. 2 out of 10. I want to compare 2. I think I take 2 ya. 2 bar ya. Can you see? 1, 2. And I make the line and I color it. The 2 out of 10.
Nanti bisa hilang lagi nggak, Miss?
Bisa.
Maksudnya apa, Miss?
Like this.
Yeah.
Oke, perhatikan dulu. Today, we will practice our expert thinking. We will compare fraction by using fraction line.
Innovation kah?
Visually, how to compare the fraction. The first, I choose 2 fraction bar. I choose randomly, and then I got the fraction 1 out of 10, and then 1 of 19. Do you see it?
Yes.
Like this, yeah?
Yes, 1 out of.
Now, I think I want to compare 2 out of 10. 2 out of 10, it means, I erase first, yeah? I use this.
Can I compare 5 out of 10, Miss?
Up to you. You decide. Miss Tia want to compare 2 out of 10. So I will take 2. 2 out of 10. And then I will color it 2 out of 10. This is the line. Yeah. And then from 1 out of 19, I want to compare 2 out of 19 too. This is 1, 2. I take 2.
Oh, kayak gini loh. Kan misalnya I want 2 out of 18. Nah, habis itu I want 9 nah.
Ya, batas 2 ya.
Iya, batas 2 aja.
Ya.
Oh, yes. Atau harus sama, Miss?
Terserah,
Oh,
nggak usah lama.
berarti
Mau
like this.
3 out of 19, 5 out of 19, 10 out of 19, up to you.
Oh. Miss,
Dan
may I choose 3 out of 18?
you may.
Oh.
And then the other fraction, the other line, what do you choose?
I haven't chosen.
Kalau Hanjung 1 out of 7 dan 1 out of 6.
Ya, warnain dulu. Miss Cia,
If me
2
1 out of
19 and 2 out of 10.
if
You
me
up
1
to you.
out of 18 and 1 out of 6.
Ya, kalau reverse first ya. This is choices. What fraction that you choose?
Sudah warnanya, Miss. Tinggal satu
Dan?
lagi.
Ya,
Boleh nggak
Terus kalau ini belum.
2, Miss. 2 atau 7.
terserah. Up to you.
Sabar Miss, I belum.
Kayak gini, Miss.
May I see?
Okay, the first one out of 3 out of 18.
Rainat, if you show me like that, I cannot see it. The first, what is the fraction that you choose?
The 10.
Yeah, how many?
5 out of 10, I think, yes.
5 out of 10. And then the second?
2 out of 7.
2 out of 7. Now, please compare by make sure the edge of this one the same at the edge, like this. Miss Tia find that this one 2 out of 10 is bigger than 2 out of 19. Can you see it?
Yes.
Can you see it? This is 2 out of 10. This is 2
Miss,
out of
kalau
19.
misalnya
When I
sama
compare
aja
it like this, which one is longer?
the pink one.
10. The
2 out of 10 is bigger than 2 out of
19.
19. Now, Miss,
Miss, kalau yang dicoret itu boleh sama kayak 3 out of 18 dan 3 out of 6, boleh nggak?
boleh. Whatever that you want to compare.
Oh, okay.
That is only the practice that you
Miss,
know how to
kalau
use it.
kalau 3 out of 9 sama 2 out of 6.
Boleh.
Ini nak, nih dia udah bikin tuh. Tapi kok panjangnya sama aja ya.
Berarti sama dong, equal.
Kalau saya lebih besar 5 out of 10 nih daripada 2 out of 7, Miss.
Ya. Oke, Miss-nya mau tunjukin pakai Jamboard dulu ya. Sebentar.
How can I erase it? I don't have any tissue around here.
Oke, Miss-nya will reason. Can you see it?
Ya. Kan
Nah, Miss. Yang apa nih 1 out of 6, 3 out of 6 sama.
Can you see it? Before want to compare to, can you see it? Out of 10 and 2 out of
19.
19. When I compare it and I color the bar line, the fraction line, I find which one is bigger?
2 out of 10.
2 out of 10. So how I write down the comparison fraction, like this or like this? The first or the second?
No.
The second,
Because 2 out of 10 is bigger. Remember, this one is bigger, yeah?
the
Yes.
second.
Remember, the comparison, the crocodile mouth won't eat the bigger one. The
So the
crocodile
second.
mouth will face like this. You get it?
Oh, jadi kayak gini kan istilahnya. Awalnya kan ada orang pengen makan daging, tapi disuruh jadi daging sih.
The easiest way when you want to compare two things, remember crocodile's mouth. Mulut buaya itu pengen makan yang banyak, jadi mulutnya selalu mangap ke yang banyak.
Oh.
Ya, that is the way we remember easier. Okay? Now, give me comparison that you have, the result. What number? Rafa, what number? Rainat?
My number is 5.
Just mention it.
5 out of 10.
5 out of 10. And then?
And 2 out of 7.
What is the comparison when you find it?
5 out of 10 is bigger.
Which one?
5 out of 10.
So, the mouth of the crocodile face 5 out of 10 like this, right? How about the other? Can you write down on a piece of paper and show me at the camera? Please write down on a piece of paper and show me to the camera.
Me.
Yeah, all of you. Please write down on a piece of paper and show me at the camera.
Okay.
Like I said before, kan, I show you. I compare 2 out of 10 and 2 of 19. And then I find 2 out of 10 is more than 2 out of 19.
Time to do something.
Please write down. Cila, how about you, Cila and Sadam? Make it closer so I make sure that I can see it. Wait, I will pin you. I will pin you first. 9 out of 10, 6 out of 7. Can you show the fraction line that you compare?
Yeah, it's longer.
Which one? Show me to the camera. I already pin you.
I'm sorry, Miss. Okay, the pink one is 9 out of 10, and then the green one is 6 out of 7.
Okay, that you see, which one is bigger?
The 10.
Okay, do you get it?
Yeah.
How to use it? Okay, thank you. Now, who will be the next? Who is ready?
Miss.
Ahtar. Okay, Ahtar. I miss you. Will pin to Ahtar.
Wait, ya, I mati dulu.
Let's Adam.
This is mine.
Wait, Miss will pin to Ahtar. Okay, Ahtar. 3 out of 6 and 3 out of 18. Show me the bar graph.
Okay. This.
Compare it.
Okay, this is the one. This is 3 out of 6, and this is 18 out. This is 3 out of 18.
Compare it. How you compare it?
Okay.
Make it like this, like Miss Sia before, like this, up and down, like this. So you can see the length. Which one is longer?
This, the 6.
Ratain dulu, Ahtar. Diratain supaya kami bisa lihat. Ujungnya diratain. Ujungnya diratain.
Maksudnya?
Ujung ininya disamain. Jadi kita bisa lihat ujungnya mana yang lebih panjang kayak gini.
Oh. Ujungnya.
Iya, nah. Can you see all? Jadi yang lebih panjang mana, Ahtar?
Yang 6.
How many?
The 3 out of 6 is
more than
3 out of 18.
Thank you. You got it. Now the next. Sadam, what number do you want to compare?
Itu
Tulis dulu
Miss.
di kertas.
Nih. 1 out of 2 and 2 out of 4. They're both in half.
1 out of
2 and 1 out of 2 and 2 out of 4.
Okay, what's the result?
Well, the 4 is bigger.
Okay, like this. Compare it like this, in a line like this, so you can see clearly, Sadam, like this. Show me us like this, so we can compare it clearly. What do you think? Why you think? Which one is
Ini
bigger? I think it's the
nih
same
yang
equal.
Dale.
How about you?
Yes, I'm gonna accept because
Miss,
What do you think? Which one is bigger?
equal because
Equal. Thank you, Adam.
Yeah.
So 1 out of 2 and 2 out of 4 is equal.
yes no because they both have
Okay, Del, your turn.
ini Miss
Mana?
itu
Berapa sama berapa itu?
ini ini tuh 3 out of 9 sama 2 out of 6.
Okay, what is the result?
Panjangnya sama tapi
So it's
equal.
equal. Thank you. Yes, you are correct.
3 out of 7.
3 out of 7 compared to
8 out of 19.
8 out of 19. Which one is longer? Salah itu dibalik. Sama-sama berwarna yang dibandingin. Nah, which one is longer?
Three out of 7.
Which one? Show us. Show us. Ujungnya samain. Ujungnya samain. Oke. It looks like itu kayaknya sama ya. Oh iya, ini yang agak panjang dikit ya. Yang 19. Oke, thank you Hanjung.
Welcome.
Okay, now Miss Xia will present. What will you do now? Please open menu A. Please open menu A. Can you see the comparing fraction?
Yes.
Okay. Now you may choose one menu and compare the fraction by using the fraction line.
I need tablet to do it.
Apa?
I need tab to do it.
Yeah, you can use A, B, or C. You may choose ya. Miss, how we compare it? As example, 4 out of 6 and 12 out of 12. You color it like before. And find which one is bigger. Can you do it? By choosing menu A.
Yeah,
You choose
wait.
no, and compare with fraction line. Can you do it?
Yes, I can do it.
If you can do it, you may leave and do it offline. Now,
After that, join which class, Miss? But I have one
Bahasa Indonesia at 9:45.
Oke.
Ini ada yang lebih, Miss. Ada yang 5 out of 4. Jadi kayak mana?
Gimana?
Jadi science. Jadi hari ini ada science gak, Miss?
Berarti dia lebih besar, Ray. Lebih dari 1 dong.
Miss, hari ini ada science gak?
Oh iya, science today. Salah Miss ya. Science 9:45 ya. Bye-bye.